This is Children of Blood, a small campaign expansion for Arkham Horror the card game. It has 3 story scenarios. It comes in a much smaller box than the previous Chapter 1 expansions, about half the size, which is fine as it fits everything and takes up less space. The box comes with an outer sleeve with retail information and some really nice artwork. When removed, the box looks like an old tome, so it'll look nice when you put it on the bookshelf. I prefer using the sleeve because it kind of holds the box shut when storing it vertically, but you have choices on how you wish to display them, which I think is really cool. Inside you'll have additional rules as well as a campaign guide. This is also a smaller format, which is still pretty easy to read with plenty of examples and beautiful artwork throughout. It comes with a sheet of blood tokens, which are used specifically for this campaign. They're added to the Chaos bag and have special effects. It's packaged well. It comes with these cardboard spacers which keep the cards from banging around during shipment. You get 4 stacks of cards and each stack is bundled with these paper strips, which I really like. It just seems much less wasteful. You get a total of 178 scenario cards total. You also get a stack of dividers for organization. I really like that they're including these with the Chapter 2 expansions. It just makes organizing and setting them up easier. Finally, there's a cardboard insert that holds all of the cards. They're wide enough to hold sleeve cards, and here it is with all the cards sleeved, and it works pretty well. It even has space to store your blood tokens or any other components that you want to keep with this expansion. I'm really excited to add Children of Blood expansion to my Arkham Horror collection.